Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. So today in this tutorial, I'm going to quickly show you how you can use Afterpay on Amazon. So let's get into the video. Firstly, open up Afterpay. So you can either use the app or on your browser. It's the same process either way. So open up Afterpay and log into your account. So once you've logged into your account, so what you can do now here is you can simply, click on shop now. All right, so and then what are you going to do, click on search for Amazon here, because we're going to look for gift cards. So click on search for Amazon. So once you search for Amazon here, what are you going to do, click on the Amazon gift card option here. So click on it, and here what you're going to do, you're going to top up this. I'm going to purchase this Amazon card. So select the value that the amount of value that you want to purchase this gift card for. So just select that. All right, once you select that, then hit on buy for yourself. All right, and then all you have to do is plug in your information here and then hit on confirm, and then you complete the order. So once you have done with this, so now what you can do, you can simply use this on Amazon. So now if you go to your Amazon and just make an order, just make a purchase, and once you have on your checkout page on your order, so just you buy something, and then once you're on the checkout page here, what are you going to do, under payment method option here, you will see the gift card option. So redeem a gift card. So use that option and type in the Amazon gift card that you just bought. So type in the code of that Amazon gift card and then hit on apply, and that's how you can use your your Afterpay gift card. Sorry, your Afterpay gift card code. So just apply that here. So in that way, you can use your Afterpay on Amazon. So that's pretty much it is. Hope this video is helpful to you guys. I'll see you guys in another video. Thank you.